Find the sum of functions. Given number 1, find the sum of f of x equals 4x plus 6 and g of x equals x cubed plus 9x squared. Unang step ating i-define ang ating function. So, f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Pangalawang step, ating ngayon i-substitute ang ating given na function. So that is f plus g of x equals 4x plus 6 plus x cubes plus 9 squared. Next, ang ating gagawin, combine like terms. Ngayon, wala naman dito like term. Ang gagawin natin, descending order mula sa mataas ang exponent na may variable hanggang sa pinakamababa. So, ganito po. So, x cubes plus 9 squared plus 4x plus 6. So, ito ang final answer. Yan po, Kamat Like TV. Ngayon, number 2 is your turn. Comment your answer. Thanks for watching.